but we are going. We are going means the earth is rotating always around the sun. The movement of the earth we call on its own axis we call rotation. And the axis is an imaginary line. It is till South Pole, till North Pole to South Pole. And the earth will rotate west to east. And the one rotation, the time will take 24 hours. It means one day. Now I'll explain you how day and night forms. So this is the flashlight. I'm using the flashlight as a sun, and this is the miniature of the earth. So now I'm on this. Now wherever the sun is flashing, those are the day countries. And if it's India, behind it is United States. So there it's night. Now we're gonna see about the moon. Why the moon is shining in the night? Why the moon is not coming in the day? Because the sun is giving the light to the moon, and the moon is giving the little amount of light to the earth. That's why the moon will shine nicely in the night time. About the stars I'm gonna tell you. Why the twinkle stars was not coming in the day, but a big shiny star was there. Can you guess? Yes, sun. Good job. Because of the sun brightness, we cannot see these twinkle stars. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel. If you don't subscribe to my channel, the alligator will come and